Encountering error code 0x83200115 on your PlayStation portal? Don't worry, you're not alone. This error means your portal is struggling to connect to your PS5 for remote play. It's basically a network connection failed message. The good news is, many users have resolved this with some simple steps. First, ensure your internet connection meets the minimum requirements, at least 5 Mbps upload-download speeds, and a ping under 50 milliseconds. Start with the basics. Fully restart both your PlayStation portal and your PS5. Power them off completely, wait 30 seconds, then turn them back on. Then, power cycle your home router, unplug it for about a minute, then plug it back in. This refreshes the network and often fixes connection issues. After everything is back online, test the connection again via the portal's settings menu. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If the error persists, it's time to dig a little deeper. Remember, these basic steps resolve most cases. If the error continues, we'll look at advanced fixes next. When basic restarts don't solve the PlayStation Portal error, it's time to dive into your network settings. Let's explore some advanced fixes together. First, enable UPnP in your router's settings. This lets your devices, like the PS5, automatically open the necessary network ports for remote play. Look for UPnP in your router's admin page. It's usually under Advanced Network Settings. If UPnP doesn't work, manually forward specific ports on your router. Forward TCP ports 9295 through 9303 and UDP ports 3478 through 3480 to your PS5's IP address. You can find your PS5's IP in its network settings. It's helpful to understand the protocols. TCP ensures reliable data delivery but can be slower, while UDP is faster but less reliable. Remote Play uses both for optimal performance. Try disabling IPv6 in your PS5's network settings. Some internet service providers have compatibility issues with IPv6, which can cause this error. Navigate to Settings, Network, Advanced, and turn off IPv6. As a last resort, set your PS5's IP address in your router's DMZ. This puts the console outside your firewall, which can solve connectivity issues but reduces security. Only do this if you're comfortable with the risks. If all these fixes fail, contact your internet service provider. They can help with network configuration issues that might be causing the problem. Remember, network configuration issues are common causes of this error. These advanced fixes should help get your PlayStation Portal working smoothly again.